Hello students, we are continuing with lesson 5, the Happy Prince. We have seen that the Happy Prince, he was very much kind-hearted, and he has given everything he was having, like that ruby in his sword hilt and his eyes which were made of rare sapphires to help the poor. And he had become quite blind. On this, the poor swallow, he decided not to leave the Happy Prince alone, and the very next day, he just kept sitting on the shoulder of the Happy Prince and told him the stories. At that, the Happy Prince asked him to tell the stories about the miseries of the people. He asked him to fly over his city. So, see now what happened then. So, the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful houses while beggars were sitting at the gates. Now the swallow, it flew over the city of that Happy Prince and saw that rich people, they were enjoying in their beautiful houses, and beggars, poor, they were sitting at the gates. He flew into dark lanes and saw the white faces of starving children looking out listlessly at the black streets. Then the swallow, he flew into dark lanes, lanes mean streets, and saw the white faces. White faces mean faces yellow because of pale yellow because of starving, hunger, and they were looking sadly, listlessly, sadly at the black streets. Under the archway of a bridge, two little boys were lying in each other's arms to try and keep themselves warm. And under the bridge, two boys were just lying in each other's arm, and they were trying to keep themselves warm. How hungry we are. And they said that they were very hungry. They said, "You must not lie here," shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. So at that time, the swallow saw that a watchman shouted on those little boys, those who were lying under the bridge and trying to keep themselves warm. He just shouted them, asked them not to lie there, and they just wandered out into the rain. They moved, they ran into the rain. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. Then the swallow, he flew back to the Happy Prince and told the whole episode, whatever he had seen. "I'm covered with fine gold," said the prince. "You must take it off leaf by leaf and give it to the poor. The living always think that gold can make them happy." At that, the Happy Prince said, "I'm covered with fine gold." As we have already seen that the Happy Prince statue, it was covered, it was having a covering of fine gold. So he said, "You just take off this gold leaf by leaf, every bit of gold. Take out every bit of gold and give it to the poor people. They think that gold will make them happy." Leaf after leaf of the fine gold swallow picked off till the Happy Prince looked quite dull and grey. Now the swallow, it took off every bit of gold from the statue of the Happy Prince, and the statue now became quite dull and grey. It was not looking beautiful now, as its upper layer that was made of gold has been taken off. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children's faces grew rosier, and they laughed and played in the street. "We have bread now," they cried. Now every leaf, every bit of gold, it has been taken out by the swallow and given to the poor, and the children faces, which were pale yellow because of hunger, they became rosier red now, and they laughed and played in the street. Now they are not sad, but they are happy, they are playing. "We have bread now," they cried, and they happily cried, happily said that they are having something to eat now. Then the swallow came, and after the snow came the frost. Okay, then the snow came. Now it started snowing, and after the snow came the frost, mist. The streets looked as if they were made of silver. Now streets became white as silver because of snow everywhere. There was snow everywhere. Everybody went about in furs, and the little boys wore scarlet caps and skated on the ice. Now everybody went about in furs. Everybody wore woolen clothes, and the little boys, they wore scarlet red caps and started skating on the ice. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder. Now the swallow, it was feeling too much cold. It became very cold. It started growing colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. But he was not ready to leave the prince. He loved him too well because he also loved him. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking, and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. Now the swallow, he picked up crumbs. Crumbs mean that small bits, small pieces outside the baker's door, because nothing was there to eat. It was snow everywhere. So the swallow, it was just picking the small pieces which were from the baker's door when the baker was not looking at him, and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. And it tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. There was no fire, no sunshine. It was snow all over. He was not having any food to eat. He was not having any sunshine to warm himself. So he was eating, breadcrumbs or that crumbs from the baker's store when he was not looking, and he was trying to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. That's all for today. Rest we'll do later.